Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be getting a little cleaning done, and then we will be decorating the living room and the kitchen for Easter. I am so excited to finally get a chance to get spring colors up and add new colors into the decor. If you've never been to this channel before, we do lifestyle living in a single wide mobile home that we rent. We've been doing renter-friendly home makeovers, DIYs, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and decorating for the seasons. If you are like me and have struggled with weight loss, that is also part of this channel. I am very open and share my wins and losses while I navigate this weight loss and health journey. I've lost 13 pounds since January 1st and have given myself 3 years to lose 100 pounds. I'm in no hurry and want to get the weight off slowly so it stays off. Because of this lifestyle change, I also share healthy and even sometimes less healthy recipes on this channel for those that want to see what I eat during the week. This includes smoothies, juicing, crock-pot meals, and my husband even gets involved with cooking and other projects. We are also Messianic Jews, and I periodically share my faith on this channel when it permits. That's something that gives me such joy, and I love to share with other believers. It is our goal to have our own home within the next 3 years and finally say goodbye to renting after all of this time. Since we live in Arizona, prices here are very high and home prices are somewhat unbearable. So for now, we're biding our time and making plans that we will eventually follow when the time is right. I am so glad to have you guys here with me today. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and share this video or this channel with others that you know might like this kind of content. If the content is something that you like, make sure to subscribe below so that you don't miss any videos to come. I love to engage with my viewers, so leave a comment below and say hi. All right, without any further delay, let's get into today's episode. This product has become one of my favorites. I actually use it in both my sink and on my glass stovetop. There's just enough grit to get all of the burnt on mess off without a razor blade or anything else. I use just what you see here for the job, and it works like a charm. If you've been looking for the pink stuff, you can find it at Walmart.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Trying to get to you when you're on the low. Trying to get to you when it's on the line. Had enough, had enough, had enough. Trying to take
And just like that, the kitchen is clean. Now let's get started with some food prep for dinner tonight.
gonna shine. It's enough, it's enough, it's enough. But when you're going down, falling to your knees, it's time to believe. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. Rise up, rise up, rise up. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. Cause we all walk to the same beat, and from town to town feel like giving in. Had enough, had enough, had enough. No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. Rise up, rise up, rise up. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight.
All right, so we did a WinCo haul. We're gonna have a barbecue tonight, so we needed to get some hot dog buns. Ken's going to be making some hot dogs tonight, so we needed some hot dogs. I got some green leaf lettuce. I think I like this better than the romaine because it doesn't have a waxy coating on it. And then we need to get some hamburger buns. We really haven't had this stuff in the house for a while. And then I got some mushrooms that I'm gonna put with the onions today, and I'm gonna saute them in butter and oil, and then make that like as a topping for one of the hamburgers that I'm gonna have tonight. And then we got some sweet potato fries. I picked up some string cheese, some Ruffles, some curly fries because we're having my mom and her little friend that she used to watch when he was a little baby over for dinner tonight, so I figured maybe he would like those. And then I had to get some tomatoes, some dill pickle chips, some jalapeno slices, some sweet relish, and some olives and ketchup for toppings and stuff. And then Ken picked up some more of his Hawaiian chips. So this will be dinner tonight. Ken did a great job on the burgers. I air fried some sweet potato fries, cut up some lettuce and tomato, sauteed the onions and mushrooms to add to the top of my burgers as well. And while I was cooking, I was munching on olives and getting out all of the condiments. While others would be having buns with their meal, I opted out of the carbs and went with just meat and veggies and some mustard. It was amazing.
Mine too, I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you
If you did not see last week's episode, I did a shopping haul with you guys to show you what I found at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby for spring decor. This year, Dollar Tree really surprised me, guys. They had a lot of really cute things that look more expensive and not like they came from a dollar store. So I was able to pick up quite a few things there that really just added so much to the overall look and aesthetic of the house. Hobby Lobby didn't disappoint either. I found more than enough things there that were 40% off, and I saved a ton of money shopping at both stores. So if you're in need of some spring or Easter decor, they're going to have what you need.
No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got you. You should know. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 Got you. Baby, you should know I got you. Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes, her just perfect. Yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for you. Small town, big crowd. and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts. All we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight.
These yellow and white tea towels have been part of the decor of the kitchen for a little while, but I didn't want to put them away just yet. While decorating the living room, I was able to use them here to cover the red basket so that I could continue to use it for some of our books. This is an example of shopping your house. Sometimes we have other things that can be used as decor or to add a pop of color in a space that might need it. In this case, these tea towels worked perfectly.
Let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Oh, we're leaving at midnight. Leaving at midnight. Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
I have a client to thank for this grabber. She had a couple and gave me one a while back. I have to say, it really helps a lot when trying to reach this ledge. It was still a little bit difficult at times, which you'll see here in a little bit. Our daughter Lexi had come in and helped me later on.
And I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall.
Lexi was quite a help with all of this. She likes to decorate like I do, so this was a fun time for both of us. But this ledge seemed like it would never get done. Thankfully, I was able to condense what took about 30 minutes down into about 1 minute. I also shopped my house by moving around some other pieces that we already had in the living room in order to add in other colors to break up the pastel look. I didn't want the house to be too heavy with pastels, but rather have them sprinkled around for effect. But I think we managed to balance it all out pretty well.
I know you're wrong 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I'm too. Don't want a day when you say you're done now, 'cause you leave me crying over you. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will say, don't mind the wait. I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
It took a while, but I think it looks good. Just enough of the colors to draw the eye up without being obnoxious. This will work. Are you decorating for spring? If so, what are the colors that you chose and what theme did you go with? Our theme this year is really just bunnies and eggs. I normally don't decorate with these elements, but this time around I just couldn't help myself. It was all just way too adorable.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
When I saw these kitchen towels, I knew that I had to have them. Altogether, they only cost me $3.75, so it was a steal. But they were the right colors, and I knew that they would go great with the rest of the decor. And they even have matching placemats.
But there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall. End all the fighting and just let it fall. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. When I reach you and you feel your heart, I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. Yeah, I'll make you, there's a guarantee. I don't care about your history. Come and open up your heart to me, to me. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. It'll stand the test of time. The test of time.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling.
As Lexi walked through the living room yesterday evening, she said that pink really was a great color for the living room. I have to agree. I was worried that it might be too much, but it turned out to be pretty perfect. And what a difference from the winter decor to the spring touches. I just love it. Well, everyone, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this episode and that it gave you some decorating motivation for your own home. As I said before, I'd love to hear from you guys and get your take on the decor that you plan to use for your space, and even hear what you think about what we found at our stores here. Stay tuned for next week's video because I am going to be doing some kitchen touch-ups. I'll be painting the insides of my cabinets and just finishing off those areas that need to be done. I hope you'll come back and check it out. Until next Tuesday, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.
I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.